Cool. He didn't forget about you.
Yeah. We have Spidey.
That's cool.
What's in there?
Oh, what you do is you put it in water and it turns into something you can use in the shower.
Oh. Open it.
Keep looking. Keep looking what's in there. Keep looking in there.
Everything's stuck. Got it?
Yeah. Lemon cream.
Juice.
Me drink it?
Yeah, you can drink it for breakfast. Oh, let me see if there's a seal on it. Look, there's a seal on it. You want to keep looking while I open it?
Yeah.
Okay, keep looking while I open it.
What else is in there, Ian?
Lemon cream. A tire wheel.
Yeah.
A tire wheel, yeah.
Did you get some?
Yeah. Should be like the Easter
Yeah.
and the bunny get it.
Chippy wants to know where his Easter basket is. Chippy.
And what else is in that basket?
What else is in there, Ian?
A helicopter.
Oh, that's cool.
That's the one where you pull it and it goes up in the air.
Whoa. Where's the pulley?
We'll get it out in a little bit, okay?
I'm thirsty. I would this have on the drink?
Yeah, the juice.
What would this have on?
Oh, Lightning McQueen.
Oh, what does this have on?
A tire. It says Lightning McQueen.
Oh, I'll turn it around. Okay, let's open now.
Okay.
I see.
Cottontails, popcorn, or cheese balls.
Oh.
What? Let's open it.
Well, keep looking. Keep looking at everything.
Okay, I'm thirsty.
I'm telling you, you're a good
Okay.
spokesperson. Oh.
What else is in there?
What are those?
M&M's.
Skittles.
Skittles.
Oh, the bunny and the rabbit knows you. Easter bunny knows you too well.
Okay, I'm thirsty.
What else?
Wait, there's a parrot on there.
Oh, what?
That's cute.
And an anchor.
Yeah.
And what's is in these Easter eggs?
A little camera.
What?
Can you see in the hole? Peek in the hole on the other side. Peek in there. You see anything?
I don't.
You don't.
No.
Let me see. Oh, I see T-Rex. See him?
No.
No. Okay, we'll work on